Hi, welcome to Pre-Quilt. This is part 2 of Starter Kit. So for the previous video, we touched the basics of how to use the starter kit, which we selected a pattern and we just swapped out different blocks to see different results. So for this video, we're going to add multiple blocks to the pattern as opposed to just using one. So let's just kind of swap out some blocks to see what the results it produces. So this is kind of cool. All right, so I'm just gonna see, I think I'm just gonna work with the magic square here. And so far we only have one block for the entire pattern. So we're gonna clone this one, and this one is called magic square 2. And we're gonna just go to the block editor so we could change the colors a little. So as you can see, there are a couple shapes here, 4 shapes, and they're just using color tags A and B. And A is equal to Kona Navy and Kona Peach. So I'm going to create a new color tag so we can apply it to the shapes. And maybe I'll just click this bittersweet. And I'm going to replace B with that new color tag C. Okay, so A looks the same, still using the Kona Navy, but now it's just using this new color tag, that orange. So now that we created the block, let's apply it. I'm gonna just select one block, and I'm gonna right click, and using the select equals rotation, what it does is it finds out the rotation of this block, and then it looks for all the blocks that have that same rotation. So as you can see, this is how the blocks with the same rotation. So now that it's selected, I'm going to apply the block using the right click and then just select that new one we created. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Let's see what else we could do here. I'm going to create a new block, and I'm going to go back into the editor, and I'm going to create a new color tag this time. I'm going to call it D, so that we have A, B, C, and D, and I'm just going to create a purple for that one, and then I'm going to replace the A's with the D's. Okay, and then so now that we have the 3 blocks, how are we going to apply this new one over there? Maybe we could randomly assign the colors, randomly assign the blocks. So we have this randomized feature over here, and if you click this button, it would take all the blocks in your library, here, and then randomly apply it. But we don't want these blocks, but at the same time we don't want to delete them. So we could use the randomized block settings for that. And so we're just going to select one heart here, and it's going to ignore when randomizing. So we're going to do that to the following blocks. Okay, just so we like these ones. So we like these 3, and then we close that off. And now we hit the randomized block. Oops, I have to select it all. Okay. So now it randomly applied the blocks to the pattern. So let's also randomize the colors, because I actually don't really like the colors that I chose there.
Daddy, why is it so dark?
Okay. All right. So now we could go into and tweak the colors here. Let's see if we can just tweak the colors here. This is kind of nice. I like the lightness of here, but I don't really like the brown. So I'm going to lock all these randomizing, and I'm just going to randomly select that. See, that's not bad. Let's see. No. All right, that's great. So now that if we like this, you can download the image and select the image here, and this is a breakdown of how the quilt was constructed. It's using 42, 30, and 28 of these blocks. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any questions, please write them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.